Today we're showing you a 2019 Kubota L4701 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with just under 300 hours. Very clean tractor, again very low hours, just under 300 hours. Does have the Kubota four-cylinder engine, 47 horsepower. Also has the front grill guard on it and also 4 front weights. So very nice tractor, again very low hours on it. It does have the hydrostat transmission, treadle pedal here for forward and reverse, and then high, low, and medium range over there to the left of the seat, and then also your cruise control lever to the left of the seat as well. It does have the foldable ROPS on it, 3-point hitch with the drawbar and top link both with the machine. Has the stabilizer bars on both sides. Still see the ridges on the tires here. It's a very clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.